Hey everybody, I purchased a PFAFF 1222 used machine and had some problems, so I had it repaired. Everything was great, and I didn't do anything with it until yesterday when I went to turn it on, and this button, which is known for breaking, broke. So I am going to take a look and see if I can fix it. So I have heard that you take the top off for some reason because you need to take this piece off. So I think it's just this one screw, possibly, maybe. I have not gone to eBay yet, but supposedly somebody sells a better replacement button, which is probably what's going to end up happening. I'm going to end up just buying one. Okay, this. Oh, I see. It's like this thing held me up. These top pieces held me up. I don't know why the can't. I feel like I'm doing a 80s Burger King commercial. No, it's Decker Ted's Burger King. All right, so that comes off. Okay, and then you can take the bottom off. And I believe there are 5 screws. Boy, that's just an amazing camera angle right there. Sorry, guys. There are 5 screws, but since this is a used machine and I think it's been worked on before, I only see 2. So, guess I'm missing a few. It's too bad. I think there's pressure. The way it's leaning like this is probably not a good idea, so I'm gonna hold it up. And we'll never find that screw again. So now I can put it back together with 1 screw. It'll be perfect. Oh, there goes the other one. No screws, we'll just glue it back together. All right, so here's the little box. Let's see, is that even? Can't see anything. Yeah, and this looks like it has 1 screw. Wait, let me get those other screws because that's gonna drive me nuts. All right, these go here. Ready? So this is the box that has the power switch. And I will put this on this lady's business card. And the business card will now be my marker for the electrical switch box screw. Now here's the fun part. I don't really know. I thought this whole thing's supposed to slide out. That isn't good. There's something I'm missing. What am I missing? Okay, well, there's that. I see. I thought it was just 1 screw. Okay, that's lame. I need to get a real screwdriver. Okay, so I'm gonna use a longer screwdriver because these screws are kind of, they're on the top part of this case. Now the screws are on here. So you gotta go in from underneath, and there's 1. Oh wow. I won't strip anything. Okay. There's 1. 2. Yeah, do this at your own risk, yada yada yada. I'm not a professional, or I just play one on TV, etc. This might void my 1968 PFAFF warranty. All right, let's see here. Wow. They use gorillas to put these screws in? What the hell, man? Oh! There were documents of gorillas in the Amazon that were used to screw in lots of products from the 60s. I think this sewing machine was one of them. Okay, I just screwed up, but that's supposed to stay there. That's not supposed to come out. Damn. Damn. Why did I do that? I'm changing the name to this channel to the cussing guy. Sorry. I think it's just 2 screws for this. One up here and one in the corner, in the lower left corner when you're looking at it upside down. Oh boy. This is, look at that. Canon autofocus, go to town. This is the button that broke. I think this plastic was connected all together and it's just finally worn down. What little tiny hands were used to install this? Oh, never coming out. Oh wait, there it goes. All right, good luck fixing this. There you go. That's how you completely make a mess. Leave the machine out. I'm going to leave this machine out for a few months, and we'll come back and I'll show you how I paid someone to come over here and fix it for me. So yeah, we'll be back.